So I'll be showing you how to stop people from adding you to groups on Instagram. So by default, anyone can add you to a group. And if you want to stop that, just launch the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three-line button in the top right and then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that and then go to Message Controls. Tap on that and then you should see the option under Group Chats called Who Can Add You to Groups. So if you tap on that, you can actually choose who can add you to groups. By default, it's set to everyone, which means everyone can add you to groups, especially if your account is public. So you can change that to only people you follow on Instagram, so that only people you're following can be able to add you to groups. And even then, you can leave when you're added to a group. So that's basically how to stop random people from adding you to groups on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.